In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can make a data entry form in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started, okay? So open your Microsoft Excel. So I have here name, age, and grade. And if I want to put a name in here, I can simply do that. I just need to simply click on this name one by one for age and for grade. But how can if just one click, okay? So simply press Alt, Alt key D and O key together. So it's Alt plus D plus O. So Microsoft Excel can determine which row in a list or selection contains column labels which are required for this command. Just simply click on OK. And here you have this one. So name, I'm just going to type in here. John. Age 20. And then okay, and then hit enter. And that's it. Okay, and for the second cell, you simply click on that too, and then the same process. You just need to simply press. Okay, let me put the shortcut. Alt plus D plus O. Okay. Okay, so it's Alt plus D plus O. Just this shortcut, and you can create a data form or data entry form in Microsoft Excel. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.